If sin A is equal to root 3 by 2, find the value of 2 cot square A minus 1. Given sin A is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A is equal to sin 60 degrees. A is equal to 60 degrees. 2 cot square A minus 1 is equal to 2 into cot square 60 degrees minus 1 is equal to 2 into cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. If root 2 sine theta is equal to 1, find the value of secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Given root 2 sine theta is equal to 1, sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2, sine theta is equal to sine 45 degrees, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Secant square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square 45 degrees minus cosecant square 45 degrees is equal to root 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square is equal to root 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus root 2 whole square is equal to 2 is equal to 2 minus 2, 0.